Let's try to improve our consistent character workflow in ComfyUI. So, this is the workflow that we created in the previous video of this series about consistent character in ComfyUI. In the meantime, some new IP adapter models are out, so let's play around together and see how much improvements we can get. Okay, let's load some images and see if everything is working fine. Let's load the correct IP adapter models as explained in the previous videos. The thing I don't like about the face restore and the face swap is that it makes the face look too perfect and the skin loses its natural texture. Let's get rid of these face swap reactor nodes. We will try to get the face of Maya using the new IP adapter face ID models. But first let's add a latent upscaler here. We will use a preview here to see the difference. I like this recent update added by Dr. Lieutenant Data. Now we can just double click to make the connections automatically. Oh, it got the conditioning connection wrong. If you don't see this double click feature in your ComfyUI Manager, just update ComfyUI. There are some options there, and I use this possible input connections. Make sure we are getting the model connection through the IP adapter. Let's connect the upscaler. Let's set the same sampler everywhere in this setup. The double click is getting the conditioning wrong. Let me correct this. Let's use the upscaler model. There are many models to choose from, but I try this repo one because it's good at enhancing skin details. I'll use a denoise hook provider. Set the denoise value to, let's say 0.64. The hook value of 0.20 means that each iteration the denoise value will be lowered from 0.64 and last iteration will have this value of this 0.20. Let's go to pexels.com to find some more free to use images. Okay, let's add the IP adapter node. IP adapter apply face ID. If you can't find this node here, make sure to update ComfyUI. Let's make the connections, connect the model. Alright, now let's load the image of the face that we want to create. Connect the inside face and clip vision loader. I am using the IP adapter Face ID plus version 2, set the Face ID v2 on. The second K sampler should connect to IP adapter node now. Okay, let's cue this. Here's the result. The face looks similar without losing the texture. The skin looks natural now. Oh, I didn't need this preview here. Let's connect prep image for inside face node here. Okay, let's cue prompt. Look at that. The image looks stunning. Yes, this solves the problem with the face restore. The skin texture of the face looks amazing. the face could have been much more similar. Let's try to improve this. I am adding a second IP adapter node with Face ID portrait model. So basically, I'm combining these two models here. Let's run this. Oh wow, this is the face of Maya. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, that's it for this video. Please leave a comment below to beat the algorithm. Thanks for watching.